Hey everyone, my name is Pete from A-Life. We do health and fitness workshops in schools. Just going to do a little jungle story fitness session for the little ones. So yeah, find a little bit of space, join in. If you don't have much space, you can just do it on the spot. That's totally fine. But just join into the story, have some fun. Okay, this is Olivia, and this is Joshua. Okay, so yeah. First of all, we're going to start off sleeping. Really important to keep nice and healthy, getting lots and lots of rest, lots of sleep. Okay, just follow the story. Let's go. So right now, you guys are sleeping, resting. Really important part of keeping healthy. Suddenly sit up in the middle of the night. Wakey, wakey, look at your watch. It's only 2 in the morning. Lie back down, back to sleep. Then sit back up again. Look at your watch. It's only 3 o'clock in the morning. Back down. Back to sleep. Then sit back up again. Sit up. Look at that watch. We're late. Get on your feet. Run downstairs. Jump in the shower. Wash yourselves. Pick up your towels. Dry yourselves off. Put your trousers on, t-shirts on, and brush those teeth. Wash that face, and pick up your rucksack, both hands. And we're going to do some big steps down to the airport. Any direction, spread out a bit, guys. Nice big steps. And throw your bags down. We're going to travel by helicopter to the jungle. So you can either copy me, okay, or you're going to copy the children. In the helicopter, guys, you guys go round and round. You can do it like this. All the way around. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, guys. You see. Stop. We're now in the jungle. Okay, chop your way through these bushes, guys and girls. Spread out. Get the high branches, tall as you can. And the low branches down on the ground. Chop your way through. And stop. Binoculars. Everyone duck down and hide now. Shh, not to scare you guys. There's a tiger coming. What we're going to have to do is on the spot where you are, I want you to sprint as fast as you possibly can. You guys ready? You ready? You can shout if you like. You ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Louder.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. On the spot. Fast as you can. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And stop. Now. Binoculars. I can't actually hear you puffing. Did that tire you out? They're still there. Okay, we need to do this again even faster. Okay, on the spot. Move your arms and legs and go. Fast, fast, fast. Keep going. Keep going. Stop and now. Binoculars. We have made it. High five. High five. Right, pick up your packs. This time, not a sound. Creeping on your tiptoes. Looking everywhere for more animals. Looking in the bushes, up in the trees, down the holes, and stop. Binoculars. Hey, the monkeys. I want to see your monkey moves, your monkey noises. There you go. And stop. Binoculars. Next animal is a deer. 2 feet together, hopping. Okay, big bouncing. If you don't have much space, just side to side is absolutely fine. If you've got more space, bounce around. And stop. Binoculars. Elephants. Hands on the hips. Back straight. Big step forward. Bend both knees. Other leg. Big step forward. Bend both knees. Okay, so spread out, guys. Elephant lunges, hands in front. You can make the nose, you can make the noise. If you don't have space, step forward, down, step forward, down, step forward, down, forward, down. There you guys do. And stop. Binoculars. I like it. Come on. climb up a tree, guys and girls. Keep going. Nice and high. Bring your knees up. Legs up, Josh.
Don't tell me that.
And climb back down. There we go. Down here. Get out some water. Really important. We're doing lots of water. And get out your hand wash. Wash those hands really well. Get some food, your packed lunch. Nice and healthy food. Get some vitamins. And look at your watch. I said to that helicopter bike, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Pack up. Pack some. Get your maps out. Dropped it. Okay, you're going to walk backwards. Okay, spread out a little bit. Look where you're going. You can twist, turn, whenever you like. Ooh. There we go. Backwards, mister. Well done. That's forwards. That's it. So you look over your shoulder. Excellent. On 3, big cheer. 1, 2, 3. Woo! That was a bit rubbish, guys. Again. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay, in that helicopter again. So let's go home, back round. Keep going. Don't crash. Keep going. Pick up your pats. Some big steps home. Any direction.
Yay, I'm at home.
And you're probably at home. Throw your bags down. Okay, jump in the shower. Wash yourself. Pick up your towels. Sorry, buddy. I didn't see you there. Towel, dry yourselves off. PJs on. Pyjamas on. Get some dinner.
I don't have pajamas.
Don't have pyjamas? Oh, okay. That's all right. Get some dinner. Brush those teeth. Wash that face. Stretch up high. You stretch to the sky. You touch the ceiling. Out wide. Up high. And go and grab some water, guys and girls. Well done.